Hi everybody, my name's Allie.
I'm Thomas.
And we're from Brickspace Lab.
Yes. Today we're talking about our new Shopify theme Space.
There's a ton of features that we want to talk to you about. Kind of give you the 411, the rundown.
Yep.
Space is great for small to medium catalog stores. We really wanted to emphasize airiness, space. That's why we got that name.
Space is a really great Shopify theme for brands that have a lot of images and want to showcase their visual identity with clean and minimal photography.
The theme comes with 5 presets.
5 presets.
We've got Shimmer, we've got Shift, we've got Silk, we've got Swift, and the last one, Spice.
Our Shopify theme comes with a free trial, unlimited, and free support and unlimited updates. That's awesome.
So if you have any kind of issues, you can contact our support and we will help out.
Over 35 expertly designed sections. That's awesome. I don't think we have time in this video to show you every single one, but we have over 35 of them.
We've got over $2,000 worth of discounts through our app partners.
So if you want to sign up and use our Shopify theme, you get access to discounts for other Shopify apps that you might already be using, so you can get discounts, savings, promotions. Yeah. Space works with Shopify Market, so you can use currency conversion, you can sell in USD, CAD, you can sell on all kinds of different currencies and in different languages. You can translate it for all your different customers.
We built Space with accessibility in mind. We've built all of our themes with accessibility in mind, so it is easy to tab through.
You can use a keyboard to navigate the different links. We've hit all those.
Lighthouse markers.
Yes. Animation. So that's a big thing we've included on this theme as well. We've got a lot of subtle details with our animations, and you can see like as you scroll, things will like fade and unfade. So it's really small attention to details, but we think it makes a big difference in the overall experience. Videos. Yeah, you can use videos in almost every section in Space. So if you see something that has an image and you want to put a video there, you can do it. This is great because so many shoppers want to see the product in motion. Why stop at a still image? Have it move. Flexible price settings. So this is another big thing. With our theme, you can choose to show your prices with trailing zero. So if you have a price that ends in like 900, you can just hide the zeros. It makes it a little bit more simplified.
It looks cleaner, it looks luxe, it looks gorgeous.
Yes. But if you want to keep those, you can. It's optional. You can also turn on the currency if you want to display like CAD or USD. You can turn that on or off as well. Especially if you're only selling in one market, it'll save you some space. Device-specific visibility. Yeah, so for each of our sections, you can actually turn the visibility on or off for mobile or desktop. So if there's a section you really like, but you only wanted to show that section for mobile visitors, you can do that, vice versa on desktops. And then another big thing, the theme is built with developer friendliness in mind. So if you are an agency owner, or if you're building a website for a client, Space is a great option because it comes with a toolkit, it comes with documentation, and all the things you need if you're a web developer, you want to use the theme and build a project. And correct me if I'm wrong, Thomas, but that comes from experience. It does, yeah. I've built many websites, and when I was building Shopify themes, I wish there was a theme like this, so now there is. Yeah, it's important for us to build with developers in mind, but also make it as user-friendly as possible. So if you're not a developer, it's really easy for everybody. Now we're going into the navigation features. Real-time search, boom. If you don't have real-time search on your website, you need Space, okay? What is real-time search? Real-time search is when somebody's typing, the results appear at the same time. This is important because this is what people are used to. They want to see what they're searching as they're searching, so they know it's actually working. People are fine going to a results page, but having the stuff appear as you're searching, game changer. Yeah. Nested drawer menu. So we wanted to create a super sleek, super minimal nested drawer menu. This is great for brands who are mostly using top level navigation. So there's not a ton of subcategory items, and it allows us to create different uses for the entire right side of the screen. So that's a great place for photography. Again, this is why Space is great for those image first brands. Another cool feature in this drawer menu is as you're hovering over different links. So if I hover over the men here, and then it shows like the shoes in that category. Fixed floating menu. This is a mobile thing. So this is another menu option that you can show on your theme, and it's basically this little floating bubble, and you can have it on the top or the bottom of your screen. And for this demo, we've set it up so it's only showing on mobile. I mean, it's just a really minimal way to present your header.
Let's move on.
Let's move on. So this is the collection template, and we have a number of really cool features on the collection template to talk about. First is easy filtering. So right here, we have that set up where you can just click through the different product types. And of course, this is customizable. So right now you can see all products, but if you just want to look at shirts, you can click that. Now we're just looking at shirts.
It's a really cool way to organize your content without even having to use your navigation. It looks clean, it looks slick. It's way easier for users to actually navigate your products.
And then if you have other filters available, you can use the search and discovery app on Shopify, and you can really go in depth on your filtering. So you can do sort, and then you can add as many other filters as you want using meta fields. I don't think we have all of that in our demo stores, but it is possible. Quick add. So quick add is another really cool feature on all of our themes, and that's basically right from the collection page. You can click add to cart, and it's that easy. Something's in your cart now.
That's great because oftentimes if a customer's on a collection page and they know what they want, why make them go to a separate page to add an extra click? Okay, promotional blocks. Promotional blocks are sections that we can use in the collection sections. These are great, they're flexible. For instance, we've used it to promote custom furniture. We also have the section for newsletters. You can also do discounts, you can do videos. It's a great way to promote sales, different content, things that perhaps you might have only put in a footer or a header. Why not include it in the collection page?
Yeah.
It's like looking at a magazine.
It is a really good place to add more promotional content to your site because people are going to be looking at that grid of products. So if you have like an important message, that's a good place to put it. And this feature gives you the ability to put in images or videos, so you can really do anything with it. Infinite scrolling.
We love to scroll. And the great thing is that because the theme is designed for small to medium catalogs, having the infinite scroll shouldn't be a hindrance to your users to actually go back and find the content they're looking for.
Yeah, and I mean, I just tried to scroll and show you, but this is happening so fast. Like if you scroll to the bottom, more products are showing up. We only have 2 pages of products on this demo store, but if you had 10, you could keep scrolling. Of course, that's optional. If you'd rather have people click next to the next page, you can do that, but we think this is a really cool feature. Badges.
Badges are a great way to highlight stock, ratings, custom text, content. So using meta fields, you can add all of these fun little data points.
Yeah, so just from the collection page, you can see, oh, this is a bestseller, 5 stars, and there's 5 in stock. Let me buy it.
And again, you don't have to use an app for that. That's built into the theme. Color swatches.
Space works with color swatches, so we've got a product and it has different colors, and you can basically pick if you want your product in blue or white. You can do that. Here we have it set up in different wood tones, so oak, maple, or walnut, and then you can see that just like that. It's really slick. Okay, so let's talk about the product template now.
Upsells are a great way to get people buying more and increasing their AOV.
What is that?
Average order value. And we've built this directly into the theme. Again, this is something that you traditionally have to use an app for. So we wanted to cut out the middle app and just build it directly into the theme. So when you're able to link either through the search and discovery app or just use the complementary products that Shopify algorithm decides.
So right here, it just shows you products that are recommended as upsells. Here's another example of what it could look like. And then as well, you may also like. So there's a lot of options to include upsells on the product template. Linked products.
We've created the ability to actually link separate products as one.
Yeah, as one. So this way you can display multiple products kind of together as if they're like a pair. So if you have 2 chains and you have the gold chain and the silver chain, and you want to show customers that they can purchase in the different colors, you can do that here while still keeping the products in different products.
And that's cool for showing all of your products on a collection page separately and showcasing every single one of your variant options.
Product bundles.
Product bundles allows you to link a group of products into one, and we have built a template for this so customers can see all of those products on one page. You can give customers a discount and it'll show people what users are typically buying. It's a super easy way to sell things in groups and give your customers deals. And it also is tracking all your inventory. So typically this would have been done with apps in the past, and inventory tracking would be difficult, but with Space, it's a lot easier now.
Yep. So right here is the bundle template, and we've got these 4 products, and you can just add to cart and we'll add all 4 of them right in one, just like that. And you can use this in unison with any other discounting. So if you wanted to do something where buy 4 products, get 20% off, it would work seamlessly with this. Back to the product template, we are talking about the image zooming. So you can actually click into any of the product images and it opens it up to this full screen view, and you can zoom around and get a detailed look at your images.
That's great for super detailed products. It gives customers the ability to see what they're buying, especially if they can't hold it. You can see texture and any kind of detail that might be too small to see on a traditional photo.
Accordions. Okay, so this is another thing on the product template. We have a lot of different blocks you can use. You have text content, you can put them in a list, you can put them in a drop down. Right here we have the materials drop down, timeline. We've got these other column outputs. So there's a lot of different ways you can display text.
When you look at all of the demo stores, you'll see how flexible those product sections are. You're able to decide which column the content's going in, the width of the column, and there's a ton of different options to actually display this information and display product info, including pickup availability, inventory availability, so you can have a warning if a product is low in stock, all of the recommended products, accordions, the list kind of goes on and on.
We also have a recently viewed section, and it shows recently viewed products. Very cool. Cart features.
The cart we've built for easy upsells. So on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see we are pumping out the products.
Another really cool feature, I think this is probably one of my favorite features.
Me too.
Is the editing. So let's say we're buying these Afterglow shoes in size 5, but I'm not a size 5. So I just click edit, and then I can go up to size 10, click save changes.
That is my favorite feature. And that is something that you don't normally find. And it saves a lot of back and forth for your users.
Another cool thing here is the checkbox upsell. You can set this up to use for like shipping protection. You could even use it for like gift wrapping, but it's basically a one-click upsell. So you can click it and then it adds an item to your cart. This one might not be set up. So let me go here, shipping protection. So you add the shipping protection and it pops up right there. Super seamless. Notes. You can also add cart notes to your cart. So if you want to give customers a way they can add a message or write something in, super easy right there.
Another cool feature is the share your cart. This is also available on our theme paper. If your users are trying to give somebody a hint on what to get, or they need to remind themselves later what they want to buy, we've given you the ability to give them a link.
So you just copy that link and they can send it to their friends or send it to themselves, and
Their sugar daddies.
And when they click that link, it would just open up your website with their products already in the cart. Another really cool thing is you have the ability to use really flexible settings with how you want to open and display the cart on both mobile and desktop. For example, this demo store here, when you click add to cart, we're just showing the cart alert, but if you wanted, you could show the full cart drawer, and then you can set that on mobile or desktop. So if you want to show the drawer on desktop and then the alert on mobile, you can do that, which sometimes makes more sense because mobile visitors, it can be a bit distracting having the whole thing take over your screen. So that's why we split that up a bit.
Thank you so much for coming on this tour with us of our brand new theme Space. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this on our website, click the contact us button. Somebody will reply to you and they will have an answer.
And if you want to check out more, you can install Space in the Shopify theme store as a free unlimited trial. And that's it. Have a good day. it.